Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Lumineux Kit is probably one of the most talked about oral care products on the market right now, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this kit, exploring its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. I'll be sharing my personal experience, breaking down the science behind its effectiveness, and helping you decide if this is the right choice for your pearly whites. Number 5. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Kit, Whiter Teeth, Dentist Formulated. This kit offers a healthier way to whiten your teeth. It includes everything you need for a brighter smile, without the sensitivity. This kit uses a unique stain targeting technology. It targets tough stains while supporting healthy enamel, giving you a noticeably whiter smile. The formula is clinically proven and uses good-for-you ingredients. These ingredients are tough on stains but gentle on your enamel. The kit includes whitening strips, toothpaste, and mouthwash. You can achieve longer-lasting results with this complete approach. Enjoy whiter teeth and healthy enamel. You can achieve a brighter smile without the sensitivity. Check out the Lumineux electric toothbrush. What we like. This kit offers a complete whitening solution without the harshness of peroxide. It's designed to be gentle on your enamel while effectively removing stains. If you are looking for a comprehensive whitening experience with multiple products, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The whitening strips are easy to use and fit well. I have sensitive teeth and this product did not cause any sensitivity. The product is effective in whitening teeth. Number 4. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Mouthwash 2-Pack. Introducing Lumineux Whitening Mouthwash. This mouthwash helps remove stains from coffee, tea, and red wine without causing sensitivity. It's a healthy way to achieve a brighter smile. This mouthwash supports healthy enamel, gums, and teeth. It uses good-for-you ingredients to provide both health and whitening benefits. You'll love the results. Lumineux has been proven effective through over 60 clinical and laboratory studies. For even more whitening, try it with Lumineux Whitening Toothpaste and Strips. You can trust the science behind it. Users rave about the refreshing flavor. One user said it's the best mouthwash they've ever used, and their teeth have never been so white. It tastes great and doesn't burn. This mouthwash cleans more than just your teeth, reaching places toothpaste can't. Get a deeper clean by swishing twice a day for 60 seconds. It's like a professional cleaning at home. What we like. This mouthwash provides a deep clean while whitening your teeth, and it's free of alcohol and fluoride. It's clinically proven and has a refreshing flavor. If you like a mouthwash that goes beyond just freshening your breath and want a deeper clean, you should consider this. What people say. I have been using the Lumineux whitening strips for a few weeks now and I am very happy with the results. My teeth are noticeably whiter. The strips are easy to use and don't cause any sensitivity. I like that the strips are made with natural ingredients. Number 3. Lumineux Whitening Strips Kit, 9 treatments. Tired of sensitive teeth? This product offers a healthy way to whiten your teeth without the discomfort. It helps break up tough stains, giving you a noticeably whiter smile. Using unique stain targeting technology, this product targets stains from coffee, tea, and more. It supports healthy enamel while whitening your teeth, leaving them bright and white. This tooth whitening strip is clinically proven to whiten teeth without sensitivity. It uses a blend of good-for-you ingredients like Dead Sea salt and coconut oil. When your enamel is intact, the whitening results can last longer. The ingredients are tough on stains but gentle on enamel, ensuring lasting results. You can have bright, white teeth and healthy enamel. Enjoy white teeth without the sensitivity. Check out the whitening kit, toothpaste, mouthwash, and electric toothbrush. What we like. These strips use stain targeting technology to gently whiten your teeth. They are enamel safe and clinically proven to deliver results. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to whiten your teeth at home, then these strips are a great choice. What people say. The whitening strips are easy to use and fit well. The product is effective in whitening teeth. I like that the strips are gentle on my teeth. Number 2. Lumineux Whitening Toothpaste, Peroxide Free. This toothpaste offers a healthy way to whiten your teeth. It's clinically proven to remove plaque and tackle tough stains, leading to a brighter smile. This product is designed to be gentle on your enamel. You can whiten your teeth daily without worrying about sensitivity, making it a safe choice for regular use. It not only whitens but also promotes oral health. The toothpaste helps remove plaque, contributing to healthy enamel, gums, and ultimately, whiter teeth. The effectiveness of this whitening toothpaste is clinically proven. It's formulated by a dentist using beneficial ingredients to improve your oral health. To achieve longer-lasting whitening, consider using it with Lumineux whitening strips and mouthwash. This combination can enhance and extend the whitening effects. What we like. This toothpaste is tough on stains but gentle on your enamel, promoting healthy gums and teeth. It's clinically proven to remove plaque and whiten your teeth. If you are looking for a daily toothpaste that whitens and protects your enamel, then it is a great choice. What people say. I have been using the Lumineux whitening strips for a little over a week now and I am already seeing a difference in the color of my teeth. I like that the strips are easy to use and fit my teeth well. I also like that the strips are gentle on my teeth and gums. Number 1. Lumineux Sensitivity Toothpaste, Fluoride Free. Are you suffering from sensitive teeth? This toothpaste was created for people with sensitive teeth and gums. It uses mint and mineral-rich ingredients to support healthy teeth and gums. This toothpaste is clinically proven to help improve tooth and gum health. It has over 60 clinical and laboratory studies proving both safety and efficacy. This toothpaste uses a blend of research-backed ingredients. They combine to create a high-performance toothpaste, backed by top periodontists and cosmetic dentists. Enjoy a minty fresh taste with this toothpaste. It uses a blend of mint essential oils and mineralized ingredients to give you a refreshing experience. Feel like you just left the dentist with this toothpaste. It was created by a top dentist to deep clean enamel and oral tissues. What we like. This toothpaste is specially formulated for sensitive teeth, providing relief without harsh chemicals. It has a refreshing mint flavor and is fluoride-free. If you have sensitive teeth and are looking for a gentle yet effective toothpaste, then it is perfect for you. What people say. I have been using the Lumineux whitening strips for a few weeks now and I am very happy with the results. My teeth are noticeably whiter and my smile looks brighter. The strips are easy to use and fit comfortably on my teeth. I like that they are gentle on my teeth and gums, and I haven't experienced any sensitivity. I appreciate that Lumineux is a natural product and doesn't contain harsh chemicals like other whitening products. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.